Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. So on this tutorial I want to teach you how to design a simple music concert flyer. So without wasting our time, let us delve in properly to the business of the day. Alright, so thank you. This is the CorelDraw interface. So the first thing to do now is to create a new document, then get our size. So the size we are using for this flyer is 12 by 14 inches. So the next thing now is to import our first background. So the first background we are using, so I have my background downloaded already online. So this is the first background. Click on effect, blur, Gaussian blur, increase the radius. I think that's good. Then double click on this rectangle tool, then power clip this background inside the rectangular shape. Alright, so that's good. So the second thing now is to import the second background, which is this one. Alright, so then click on transparent tool, alright, so I think that's good. Then power clip inside document again. So that's good now. So the next thing to import the logo. You click on transparent to change it to overlay. Alright, so type the name, which is something zip. Change the font to 02. Font name is 02. So click on this, change the color to white, put it here. Reduce the transparent. Alright, that's good. So the next thing now is to also type the business name again. Something zip 02. Change the font to white, color other. So lives import the label we are using this. Concert. So I use this one, concert. Alright, so the next thing now is to bring the theme for this concert. So the theme is theme is unlimited grace. Alright, so the next thing I use to import the image of the person, and this is the image. That's the image. So the next thing I use to is partner. Alright, so the next thing now is to import our light ray. So we are using the first one we are using is this one. Second one now is this one. So click on transparent this part, convert to bitmap, transfer the other side, convert to bitmap, transfer the back, convert to bitmap. Transparent that, convert to bitmap. Transparent on the screen. next thing now is to include the name of the host. So host. So we are using picking by the button host. Alright, so thank you. So the next now is to this background. The next thing now is to import the last background. Then come to screen. So that's it. So I think we are done now. So our flyer is ready. So the next thing now is to export our flyer. So we want to enhance the flyer now. We've saved the flyer, so we want to enhance the flyer. So these are flyer. So this is Photoshop. We want to enhance it. Click computer, camera raw. So that's it. Right. So that these are fly. So thank you for your time. See you next time. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified once I drop it. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day. Bye.